Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the emotional state, the part of the brain that takes charge when you're feeling strong emotions like excitement, frustration, or anxiety. We'll take a look at how this state affects us throughout different stages of life, from infancy all the way to young adulthood, and learn why understanding the emotional state is key to better emotional control. Let's dive in. In infancy, babies experience the world almost entirely through their emotional state. Since they can't talk or reason yet, their emotions are their main way of communicating. If a baby is feeling happy, you'll know it through their laughter. If they're uncomfortable or upset, you'll hear them cry. At this stage, the limbic system, the part of the brain that processes emotions, is highly active. Babies rely on their caregivers to help them feel safe and calm when emotions run high. The way adults respond to a baby's emotions teaches them how to manage feelings as they grow. As children grow into early childhood, the emotional state is still a big part of their experience. Have you ever seen a toddler cry or get frustrated when they can't have something? That's their emotional brain taking over. Children between the ages of 2 and 6 are still learning how to handle emotions like anger, sadness, and excitement. Their limbic system is developing, but they don't yet have the skills to regulate these big feelings. That's why they often need help from adults to guide them through these intense emotions. This is where they start learning important tools, like how to calm down and express their feelings in a healthy way. Now, let's talk about the teenage years, a time when emotions can feel like they're all over the place. Sound familiar? That's because during adolescence, your emotional state is highly active. Your brain is undergoing changes, and the limbic system is often in overdrive. Because of these changes, teens tend to feel emotions more intensely than at other stages in life. Whether it's excitement about something new or frustration over schoolwork or friendships, emotions can sometimes feel overwhelming. This is perfectly normal. It's just your brain adjusting. During this time, you're also developing executive functioning skills, which help you manage those big feelings. Learning how to recognize when you're in the emotional state and practicing strategies like deep breathing or talking things out can really help. As you enter young adulthood, your brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and self-control, becomes more developed. This helps you regulate emotions more effectively. However, life's pressures like exams, work, or relationships can still trigger the emotional state. The key difference at this stage is that you now have more tools and brain power to manage these emotions. You're better able to recognize when your emotional brain is taking over and can use strategies to stay in control. Even though the emotional state will always be part of life, you're now more equipped to handle it. So, just like the survival state, the emotional state is an important part of your brain's toolkit. It helps you navigate the ups and downs of life. The more you understand how your emotions work, the better you can manage them. Remember, emotions are a natural part of life, and with the right strategies, you can keep them in check and use them to your advantage. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the brain.